Step number 1. Press the Home button to get to the main menu. Tap the Settings icon. Tap the Sounds icon. Tap the Ringtones icon. A list of pre-installed tones appears. Scroll until you see the Buy More Tones option and then tap this Buy More Tones icon. This takes you into the iTunes store where you will see the most popular tones. Press the Search button at the bottom of the iPhone screen. Clear the search field and type in Joe Baker. If a bar appears that says Joe Baker, tap the bar. Joe Baker is the name of the producer of many great custom ringtones. You will see the top sellers by Joe Baker at the top of the list. Scroll slightly to show the Show All by this Artist option. Tap this option to see all of the tones from producer Joe Baker. Tap a tone once to preview it. Tap twice to get more detail and to purchase. Tapping the Price button allows you to purchase the tone. You will need to enter your Apple ID and password to complete the purchase. Once you acquire the tone, you can assign it to a specific contact, or you can use it as the default ringtone for all of your incoming calls. But now let's talk about the tones that are available from sound engineer Joe Baker. First, we have the Red Alert series that forewarn you of a caller you may wish to avoid. Here is an example.
Red Alert, your boss is calling.
Next, we have the Male Interest group. Here is an example. You may wish to assign this ringtone to your hunting buddy. If you are a current or former member of the armed forces, we have ringtones for each service. Remember that ringtones can also be assigned to your iPhone clock alarm, so you can wake up to Bugle Reveille if you wish. Next, we have animal sounds. If you are a horse lover or a dog lover, we have the ringtone for you. Have you ever missed a call because you could not hear your phone? We have a special extra loud tone that is helpful if you are in a noisy environment. Senior citizens with hearing difficulty may also find the extra loud tone to be helpful. If you are a lover of classical music or know someone in your contact list who is, you may wish to add a classical music ringtone. Of course, there are many more to choose from by sound engineer Joe Baker. Remember, use the search term Joe Baker and then choose the option to view all by this artist.